Illustration 11. Household Equipments Limited is producing kitchen equipment from 5 components, 3 of which are made using general purpose machines and 2 by manual labor. The hours, cost and selling price are given. The marketing department anticipates that there will be 50% increase in demand during the next period. A general purpose machinery has the maximum capacity of 4,752 hours and there is no possibility of increasing this capacity. But labor is available to meet the increased demand. The management is considering the purchase of one of the components A, B or C from the market and the prices are given. First question is we have to prepare the statement showing profit made by the company from current operations, that is without considering any increase in demand. If the company buys any one of the components A, B or C, what is the extent of additional capacity that can be created? And the third question is, assuming 50% increase in demand during the next period, which component should the company buy from the market? And the fourth one is the profit, that is the increase in profit, if any, if the component suggested in C is purchased from the market. First one is statement showing profit at current operation. First one is selling price 600. Next, variable cost is 160 plus assembly cost 40. It is 200 and contribution is 400. Then fixed cost, it is for per unit 316 and the profit per unit is 84. Next we have to calculate the total profit, so we need number of units. Number of units is for 1 unit it takes 36 machine hours, and for 4,752 machine hours, what will be the units? You just cross multiply, it is equal to 132 units. 400 into 132 is 50 to 800 and 132 units into 316, it is 41,712. Next, profit 11,088. Second one is computation of additional capacity created if components are bought from outside. First we need is number of units that can be manufactured. For this, the total machine hours is 4,752 divided by the per unit machine hour is 36, right? You just subtract the component A's hours, that is 10 hours. You will get 182.76 units. And 4,752 divided by 36 minus 14 hours, 216 units. And here 4,752 divided by 36 minus component C's hours, that is 12 hours, 198 units. Next one, increase in capacity. $182.76 minus 132 divided by 132 into 100. 182.76 is we calculated here number of units minus 132, which is we have calculated before in first question, divided by 132 into, for calculating the percentage you put 100 here, 38.45%. Just do same for B and C. 216 minus 132 divided by 132 into 100, 63.64 percentage. 198 minus 132 divided by 132 into 100, 50 percentage. In third question, we have to give suggestion that which component should be bought from the market. For that, you calculate excess buying cost per hour. A, B and C. Buying cost is 80, 160, 125 and the variable cost is 32, 54, 58. Now you calculate the excess buying cost. You subtract buying cost and variable cost. It is 48, 106 and 67. Next, excess buying cost per hour. 48 divided by 10 hours, 4.8. 106 divided by 14 hours equals to 7.571, and here 67 divided by 12 hours, it is 5.583. Here A is cheaper, right? But there is increase in capacity is less than 50%. So you take the next cheaper component. The next cheaper component is C, and increase in capacity is 50%. So C should be bought from the market. Fourth question is we have to compute the profit by buying C from outside. Number of units is 198 units and selling price is 600. Variable cost is, the total variable cost is 200 minus a variable cost of C is 58 plus buying cost of C, that is 125. Totally 267 and the contribution is 333. Next, total contribution. Total contribution is 198 into 333. It is 65,934. Next one is fixed cost. The same fixed cost 41,712. Next one is profit 24,222 and the existing profit that we have calculated which is 11,088. Increase in profit is 13,134. Increase in profit.